Mike, there's so many plumeria. What are they all? They're all different.
Yeah, there's thousands and thousands of varieties. This is a rainbow from Australia, Cooktown Sunset.
From Australia?
Beautiful varieties from Australia. They have, great climate down there.
Oh yeah, it's just like ours, just opposite.
That's right, that's right.
Wow.
This is a beautiful pink, smells wonderful, from Jim Little in Oahu. He's a plumeria artist.
And what's it called?
Hawaiian Sunset.
Well, I can see that from the
Right?
flowers.
I know,
Yeah.
it looks like that, right?
What's this one?
This is called Bonnie Fox or Volcano Goddess. That's one of the problems with naming, right? Two different people named it two different things. But it's a wonderful rainbow, and it loves to bloom, as you can see.
Yeah, it's really going to town there.
Yeah.
And what about this one?
This is one of the few oranges out there. This is called Kalanani. And oranges are very dependent on heat. They really need heat to be orange.
Oh, so you need the heat to flower, but also to turn the color.
Correct. So a lot of times, like at the spring, this is just yellow.
Huh.
But as it gets into the summer, it'll be orange. So like, I don't recommend that for people on the coast. It'll never really be orange for them.
What's this beauty?
This is the classic Celadine from Hawaii. If you go to Hawaii and get a lei, most likely it's going to be made out of this. The blooms smell so amazing. In fact, here, smell that. Beautiful citrus scent.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's incredible. It's like I can't get enough of it.
I know. And it's the classic. It's kind of the baseline plumeria fragrance, I would say.
And what about the color? The white and the yellow. This is what I think of. When I think of plumeria, this is the flower I think of.
Exactly, yeah. It is a yellow with a white edge, and it has that beautiful kind of sunburst happening with the yellow. It's just spectacular. We have 13 of them planted on our property because we love them so much.
You got a pin? I'd like to wear this on my shirt all day.
Yeah, right.
So what is this beauty?
This is Aztec Gold. It's one of the few Mexican varieties, and it is a perennial favorite. We have panels of experts on the Plumeria Society that talk about their top 10, and this is always on everybody's list. It's a must-have for every collection, partly because it's stunning. It glows in the evening some nights.
Well, it's so yellow.
Yes, it's just spectacular, but the scent is incredible. It's peach.
Peach like peaches?
Yes, yes, very much so. Put your face in that. Smell that.
Put my face in that. Okay, that smells like peaches. Can I pick one?
Please.
That's amazing. It has kind of peachy overtones. I got to get a little distance from it. Oh, and it's beautiful. Look how yellow it is. And the interesting thing is it's really yellow here, but if I turn it over, it's got this little bit of pink on the back, on the underside. Peachy keen.